Good morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Thursday, November 13th. The euro declined 0.34% against the US dollar and closed at 1.2432 after the ECB Chief Mario Draghi stated that the central bank stands ready to take further unconventional policy actions if the region's medium-term inflation expectations weaken further. The seasonally adjusted industrial production in the Eurozone rebounded 0.6% on a monthly basis in September, lower than market expectations to advance 0.7%. In Germany, the wholesale price index eased 0.6% on a monthly basis in October, higher than market expectations for a drop of 0.4%. It had risen 0.1% in the previous month. Meanwhile, yesterday the OECD emphasized that the global economies were expanding at a stable momentum. However, the Eurozone economy continued to lose ground, particularly the German and Italian economies. In the US, wholesale inventories advanced 0.3% in September, higher than market expectations for a rise of 0.2%. Meanwhile, the nation's mortgage applications fell 0.9% on a weekly basis in the week ended 7th of November 2014. After falling 2.6% in the prior week. The pair is expected to find support at 1.2408 and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.2373. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.2488 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.2533. Trading trends in the euro today are expected to be determined by Germany's crucial CPI data set for release in a few hours. Meanwhile, investors would keep a close eye on the US initial jobless claims data scheduled later today. The British pound fell 0.96% against the US dollar and closed at 1.5767 after the Bank of England in its recent quarterly inflation report forecasted Britain's inflation rate to fall below 1% in the first quarter of 2015 and further stated that the inflation rate could remain below the central bank's target of 2% for the next 3 years. The pound was further weighed down after UK's ILO unemployment rate unexpectedly rose to a level of 6% in the 3 months ended September, failing to drop for the first time since the start of 2014. In a news conference after the release of Bank of England's inflation report, the central bank governor Mark Carney stated that he was not in favour of monetising UK's debt anymore, and further opened that the Bank of England should start unwinding its £375 billion asset purchase programme eventually. Early morning data indicated that the UK's RICS house price balance climbed 20% in October, following a rise of 30% in the previous month. Markets were expected for it to fall 25% in October. The pair is expected to find support on 1.5708 and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.5641. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.5892 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.6009. Amid no economic releases from the UK today, market sentiment would be governed by global macroeconomic news. The US dollar weakened 0.28% against the Japanese yen and closed at 115.56. In economic news, industrial production in Japan rose 2.9% on a monthly basis in September, after advancing 2.7% in the prior month. Japan's machine orders rebounded 7.3% on an annual basis in September, following a drop of 3.3% recorded in the prior month. The pair is expected to find support at 115.12 and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 114.49. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 116.14 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 116.53. The US dollar rose 0.25% against the Swiss franc and closed at 0.9670. The pair is expected to find support at 0.9629 and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.9596. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.9689 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.9716. Amid a weak economic calendar from Switzerland today, investors look forward to Swiss producer and import prices data scheduled in a few hours. That was it for today. Make sure you check out our CommexFX card. CommexFX offers you the exclusive service to withdraw your funds with ease and efficiency with your CommexFX card from your Forex trading account anywhere in the world. It has never been easier to manage your account as you have straight access to cash your funds. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube channel. Have a great trading day!